My name is Amar Rai, so I can explain the topic, the impact of the French Revolution on society and other countries. So I can start. The French Revolution has a profound impact on society in several ways. One significant impact was the rise of nationalism. The revolution sparked a sense of national identity among the French people, leading to the spread of revolutionary ideas and the establishment of the French nation state. Additionally, the French Revolution brought about social and political changes that influenced society worldwide. It led to the end of the absolute monarchy in France and the rise of democratic ideas. The revolution also inspired other countries to challenge their own monarchies and seek greater political rights and freedom. Furthermore, the French Revolution has a lasting impact on the social structure of France. The revolution abolished the feudal system and privileges of the nobility, leading to greater social. Furthermore, the French Revolution has a lasting impact on the social structure of France. The revolution abolished the feudal system and privileges of the nobility, leading to great social equality and the emergence of more meritocratic society. Overall, the French Revolution transformed society by promoting ideas of liberty, equality, the fraternity, which continue to influence political and social movements to this day. The French Revolution has a significant impact on other countries beyond France. The revolutionary ideas of liberty, equality, and freedom inspired people in other nations to challenge their own vulnerable and seek political change. In Europe, the French Revolution sparked a series of revolutionary movements and were that spread across the continent. Countries like Austria, Prussia, and Britain were drawn into conflict with revolutionary France, leading to the Napoleonic Wars and the spread of revolutionary ideas. The French Revolution also influenced the development of nationalism in other countries. People in various national say the success of the France is overthrowing their monarchy and sought to emulate that success in their own countries, leading to uprising and revolution in places like Italy, Germany, and Latin America. Moreover, the French Revolution had a long term impact on the balance of power in Europe. The fall of the French monarchy and the rise of Napoleon changed the political landscape of Europe, leading to the redrawing of borders and the establishment of new political system. In summary, the French Revolution had a ripple effect that spread beyond France, igniting revolutionary fervor and shaping of the course history in many other countries. So that's the assignment given by sir. So I can explain it. That's over.